welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to make animated charts or infographics in PowerPoint or Keynote. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So PowerPoint is one of the most used tools by students to present their slides or presentations. So if you're using your PowerPoint to make animated charts or infographics, you can simply use the animation pane. Simply select a chart or element to go to the animation tab and choose an animation type from the presets like wipe, fade, or fly in. You can also use control chart animation or utilize the morph transitions. You can also create a custom infographics by combining various shapes and icons and then use infographic templates. So by following these simple and easy method, you can simply create animated charts or infographics in your PowerPoint. Likewise, if you're using a Keynote, then you can create and layer shapes, make shapes editable, and animate with transitions and behaviors. So this is how you can simply do this. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.